Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add and how you can delete a user code from your Schlage FE595 keypad lock in 2026. So first of all, you need to find the 6-digit programming code for your lock. This is the code that is different from the user code, and it is usually found on the sticker inside the lock or in the original documentation. Now once you have it, you just have to simply use these buttons available on the keypad, and then you need to start entering your programming code. After entering the code, you just have to wait for the Schlage buttons to basically flash orange and beep 3 times. So this indicates that the lock is ready to receive the programming code. Now you just have to simply press 1 after entering the programming code, and then you just have to simply start entering your 4-digit user code and then enter the same code again for confirmation. Now if the code that you have entered is basically added successfully, the Schlage button is going to flash green and you are also going to hear a confirmation beep. Now once this is done, in order to remove a user code, you just have to simply enter the programming code again, but this time instead of pressing 1, you need to simply press 2. Then you just have to simply enter that particular user code which you want to delete, then simply enter the same user code again. So when it flash green and it will beep, it simply means that the deletion is successful. So you can just simply test whether you have successfully added the user code and whether you have successfully deleted one. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.